What's up, brother? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, what I'm going to do is show you what you need to find high products that you can sell on eBay. If I want to add a new product to my store, I'm going to walk you through step by step the process that I go through. You can use this process to sell products and make money online. This process is gonna help you to find high products. I will show you what I do step by step. I'm going to show you whatever you want to do. This is not waste any more time. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos. And don't forget to make a quick like and make a comment below. Let's jump right into the video. You will be able to make a little bit more money if you use this method of finding products that have a high profit. I'm going to show you today yourself, and you can use the process, and it's up to you if you don't want to sell these particular products. So make sure you watch the whole video from start to finish. Let's start. Message gun. It's the first product that I'm going to show you today. What you need to do is go to eBay and type message gun. It took me sometimes to find this product. I used the competitor research method, went through various different eBay sellers account, and that's how I found this product. I came across this one. I'm just going to do my checks on it, but before that I need to show the price point. They are selling at $29 to $200. It's basically they are selling at $29 to $200. It's basically messages different areas of your body. Potentially you're probably seen it all over the place. There is a lot of profit to make from this product. So this one looks good. So what I'm going to do now is just select one of them. Right, I'm just going to select this one right here. Right, we can see that 300 has been sold, which is a lot in the past couple of weeks. That's probably like one of the highest that I have come across. This product is being viewed and searched by a lot of potential customers. So what you need to do now, you need to click into that sold link and see how many have been sold. And from this particular product they made over $12,000. It's good, not bad. So the next step is go to over Dropshipping to see if it's good a high sales through or not. Now you ask me, there is so many people selling it. It has a high sales through. How would I be able to sell it? What I want you to do, I want you to brand your store to let the customers know what they are about. You have to get customized store template logo and to have a high chance of selling. And to have a high chance of selling, you need to make sure that all your products are similar to one another, because you will make more sales if you use in a specific product. You are going to be able to take over that market, and the customers are going to trust you more than the other sellers. What I want to do now is jump over to Dropshipping, and after that we will go to Alibaba and see if it's available or not. So let's jump over to Dropshipping and see the sales through. Now you need to search for massage gun. We can see that. Now you need to search for massage gun. We can see that it's got a 30% sales through, which is good, not bad. We can get a cent profit from selling this product. This product is selling well. You can see straight away that this seller has made over $9,000 here. What is the next step? After that is going to Alibaba and find out if this product is available to us or not. The next step after that, you jump on Alibaba to see if it's available or not. Now we need to type in message gun into the search bar, and after that click search. Here we go. There are so many sellers here. This seller here for almost 18 years. We are going to be able to get a decent quality products. So I'm just going to scroll through to see a similar massage. This one looks very similar, but this supply has been on there for 1 year, not great, and that's not going to work. So we need to find one for around 5 or 6 years. This one here is good. This supply has been on there for 5 years, which is great. What I do is that I negotiate with the supplier, contact them first. You let them know how many pieces you are able to order from them, because as you can see right there, it says from 1 to 100 pieces cost you $17, and you need here a cheaper price. You might be ordering 10 pieces or 15 or maybe 20, so you will be able to get a discount. Now we need to scroll through and see if we can find a different supplier. This one's even cheaper as well, $8 for one piece. So what I do is that I contact with the supplier. You contact him first, and again you let him know how many pieces you are able to order from them, so we will know that we will be able to get it at a cheaper price. That's it. Now I showed you how to find the product on eBay, and after that, to know if it's selling well or not, we check sales day, and to see if it's got a high sales through, you go over to Dropshipping. This particular product had 13 100% sales through, I would recommend you guys to sell that product and give a shot, and then talk that product over to Alibaba, and then I checked to see if it was available for us to import today. I have made a video on how to contact suppliers, so make sure you check it out, where I break down what you need to do when it comes to contacting suppliers. If you want to learn more about building business on eBay, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notifications so don't miss out any of my future videos, and don't forget to make a quick like and make a comment below. Stay safe and goodbye.